Hello guys, this is Swam. I learned React few days back, and you know what happens when you learn something? You get this dangerous thought, let's make something using it. So I had an idea, let's build a notes app. The ultimate simple generic ass beginner project. I know the video is coming late because of some personal reasons, and also learning React is really time taking. Really. So every great project begins with an empty folder. For me, that folder was Notes app. I used this command and that started it all. Filled with hope, filled with ambition, and filled with 250 MB of node modules. And then it literally took me 2 days to design, plan, and execute only the homepage UI of the website. So after 2 days, this is what I have built. In the world of React, there is one sacred rule. Everything is a component. Button, component, navbar, component. So, what exactly is a component? A component is a JavaScript function that returns JSX. JSX looks like HTML, but it is actually JavaScript. So let's dive into the code. This is app.jsx, the grandfather. It doesn't do anything itself. It just says if the user goes to slash show the homepage, and if the user goes to slash notes show the notes app. This is a parent component that places its children home and notes app at the right spots, and itself just watches like the elder of the house. Now let's look at the home.jsx file. If the app.jsx is the grandfather, then home.jsx is the kid that wants to do everything. Look at its imports. Import navbar from navbar, import video content from video content file, import about from about file, 3 import lines, 3 child components, and 1 parent. This is composition, the React's most powerful superpower. Great things are built from small, focused pieces, much like instant noodles. Noodles plus seasoning plus hot water. Separate ingredients, but when they are combined perfectly, something magical emerges, hopefully. Home.jsx did precisely that. Imported the navbar, video content, and the about components and assembled an entire homepage. Zero extra code and pure architectural elegance. And the hero section: capture, organize, and remember. These are the 3 things that I myself can do in my own life, but will definitely make the app do. So let's see the navbar component. I have used it in both the home page and I will be also using it in the notes page. This is the ultimate use of components in React. Sticky top 0 Z50. The sticky top 0 ensures that the navbar never moves, and the Z50 ensures that it stays always on the top. I copy pasted this whole responsive randomness animation from a randomness website which I have forgotten. I didn't hardcode every link separately. I made a links array with 4 names and rendered all using map function. This is the true form of reusability. One pattern used 4 times. But there was a twist. If the path starts with hash, it uses the anchor tag for which the page just scrolls down. If the path starts with slash, uses the React router's link tag. That's why it checks const is hash equals to map dot starts with hash. This is a context aware component that decides based on the situation. Like we behave differently on exam day and differently on the results day. So this is the video content component. I literally spent 3 hours generating this video, but it still shows some random text. Like, what the fuck is this Jason a boy? Then comes the about section, where I have blabbered something about this notes app. So that's a wrap on part 1. We covered the entire UI structure, how each piece of ZeNotes is built and connected. In part 2, we are going deeper, the actual functionality. How I have used the useState to manage the nodes, adding, deleting, searching the nodes, color selection system, and how the entire data flow is structured across the dashboard. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out part 2. See you there.